Salam to everyone. Step-by-step guide on how to use a soldering iron for the first time. Soldering iron, professional tool. Reading the instructions. Locate the user manual or instruction guide. Read the safety precautions and guidelines. Unboxing soldering iron. Carefully open the packaging and remove the soldering iron. Inspect the soldering iron for any damage or defects. Check the power cord and plug for any signs of wear or damage. Quality and wattage considerations. 30 watts suitable for delicate electronics and small components. 40 watt good for general purpose soldering. 60 watt ideal for heavier soldering tasks or larger components. Ensure the tip is securely attached to the soldering iron. When first turning on the soldering iron, it's normal for it to emit smoke or fumes. This should dissipate quickly. The power indicator light. Notice the indicator light turning on as I power up it. Heat up the soldering iron. Carefully remove the tissue fabric along the stitch design. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll achieve a neatly removed finish. Hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. If you've any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask. We'll catch you up with a new tutorial soon. Until then, stay creative, stay happy, and Allah Hafiz.